Hi boys and girls, welcome to our second lesson for today where we are still going to talk about shapes, but we are going to do shape patterns just like every day in our calendar, alright? So it should be pretty easy. Alright, let's get started. We are talking about shape patterns, and so what first we're going to look at, I would like you to say the shapes with me. Are you ready? Circle, triangle, circle, triangle. What is going to come after the triangle? The circle. Let's look at the next one. Square, circle, square, circle, square. What's going to come next? Circle. Nice job. All right, let's look at this one. The first two were A-B patterns. So we have we can't see that one. Miss G's going to fix it. We have A, B, A, B. Each time you see an A, it'll be a circle, and each time you see a B, it's a triangle. So what, if we kept it going, what would come after the circle? It would be a triangle. So you have A-B pattern. This one is also an A-B pattern. Now let's look down at this one. We have A, B, and then it doesn't repeat the A, so we have to keep going. So A, B, C pattern, because now we're back at the rectangle. So A, B, C. So then A would come next. So let's look at it. Rectangle, triangle, square. Rectangle, triangle, square. What would come next? The rectangle. Very good, boys and girls. Alright, now we're going to make our own, alright? So we're going to do a rectangle and circle. Rectangle, circle. Rectangle, circle. What kind of pattern did Mrs. G make? Was it an AB, an ABC pattern? It was an A-B pattern. Each A is going to be the rectangle and the B's are going to be the circles. Alright, let's do another one and see if you can figure it out. We'll do the triangle, square, square. Triangle, square, square. Triangle, what's going to come next? Square, and then what's going to come next? Square. Alright, so the triangles will be the A, and this would be B. Is this a different shape or the same? It's the same, so it's a B still. So it's A, B, B. A, B, B. So it's an A, B, B pattern. Alright, boys and girls, we are going to go on to the next page and we are going to look at the pattern and you are going to tell me what comes next. We have a rectangle, hexagon, hexagon. Rectangle, hexagon, hexagon. What's the next part going to be? Rectangle, hexagon, hexagon. And we are going to make these red like the other ones so they match. So would this be, what kind of pattern is this? So this is A, and then this is a new shape, so it's B. Is this the same or different? This is the same. So what kind of pattern is this? It's an A, B, B pattern. And if we kept it going, it would be A, B, B. Very good. All right, let's look at this next one. We have square, square, circle. Square, square, circle. What would be next? Square, square, circle. And we will go like this and change their colors so they match. So what kind of pattern is this? If we start out with A, is this the same or different? It's the same shape, so this stays A. So A, B. A, B. A, B. All right, last one. Triangle, square, circle. Triangle, square, circle. What's going to come next? Triangle, square, circle. All right, let's figure out the pattern. Now this would be an A. Is this the same or different? It's different, so this is going to be B. And then is this the same shape or different as this one? It's different. It's a circle. So we have A, B. Well, we're going to redo that. C. A, B, C. A, and then what letter is the square? It's a B. A, B, C. A, B, C. All right. All right, boys and girls, we are going to switch over to, we are going to switch over to your pages. You have where you are filling in the patterns with what comes next. And that is the only workbook page you have today. So you guys are drawing and coloring the next shape. You're completing the pattern, okay? Just like the little monster up here is showing you what we're doing. You're completing the pattern. So if this is triangle, triangle, square. Triangle, triangle, square. It's going to be what? Triangle, triangle, square. All right, and the same thing for down here and down here, okay? All right, let's go back to our flip chart. So you are doing the same thing up here. You're completing the pattern. So say your shapes and you'll get the gist of the pattern. Circle, circle, triangle. Circle, circle, triangle. Circle, circle, triangle. Alright, these ones are a different kind of pattern. They're using the same shape, but one of them is turned differently. So it goes up and down, across. Up and down, across. Up and down, and then you're going to draw one that goes across like that, okay? Our next one is a hexagon, square, square. Hexagon, square, square. This one's missing in the middle of it. So let's go back. Hexagon, square, square. Hexagon, square, square. What's between the squares? We have to draw a hexagon. Oop, that's not going very good. All right, so just like Mrs. G, try your best and copy the shape, okay? It does not have to be perfect. Look at Mrs. G's shapes aren't perfect, okay? So you're completing the patterns and then completing the patterns again, okay? All right, boys and girls, that is it for today. And I will see you on Monday for our morning meeting.